All right, let's play bears in the cave again. Let's play today with 6 bears instead of 5 like we did last time. All right, with 6 bears, doesn't really make a whole lot of sense to use a 10 frame as a strategy to figure out 6 because with 5, you fill up the whole top of the 10 frame, right? And with 10, you fill up all of the spaces. But for 6, 7, 8, and 9, you fill up all of the top and some of the bottom, and so it gets a little confusing with how many extra you need. So using a 10 frame for numbers that are not 5 and 10 is not always the best strategy for this game. So I think we'll stick with using chips and drawing a picture. We can try using the number line a little bit if we like. So if you're doing it at home and you want to use a number line, I think that's a great idea. If you want to draw a picture or use chips or your fingers, I think that would work, but 10 frame's not the best. All right, let's go ahead and play. I've got my cave again, and I'm going to hide some bears, and then we'll figure out how many are underneath there. Okay, are you ready? All right. Okay, there's my bears. Okay. There are 3 of them. 1, 2, 3. So we got to figure out how many of our 6 are underneath that cave right now. All right, so let's do a picture first. We're doing math pictures, right? So circles. This is as much bear as I'm going to draw because I can do it kind of quickly. 5. 6. Okay. So let's see. We know where 3 of our bears are. So I can flip 3 chips over, and I can cross 3 of my picture bears out, right? Because I know where 3 of those bears are. They're outside of the cave. I could cross them out. I could color them in. I could erase them. Although in math we like to show our work, so it's nice to have them still there. All right, so if we flip over the 3, we can see how many are left over that have to be hiding under that cave. When we write our addition sentence, right, it will look like this. 3 plus a number we don't know yet equals 6. Can you answer that addition sentence already? Can you figure that out? I bet you can. Fill it in. All right. So let's count how many red ones we have. How many bears are left over? 1, 2, 3. So hiding under our cave, we should have 3 bears left over. Is that what you guys thought of? Is that what you guys know already? All right, let's check and see if we were right. 1, 2, 3. I think we were. Nice work. All right, let's try a new one. I will hide some other bears. Let's see. Take some bears out. Put some bears in. Hide them with a cave. Alrighty, are you ready? I gotta draw some extra bears. But there is my bear. Just one of them today. Just one of them this time. So if I'm going to set up my addition sentence, I have 1 bear that I know where it is, right? Plus however many bears are hiding in that cave equals, we know there's 6, right? None of them got lost. None of them ran away. We've got 6 bears in this family. 6 of them are in that cave. Well, 6 of them are all together. So we've got to figure out how many are in the cave. We know where one of them is. So we can flip over 1 chip, or we can cross out one of our picture bears. And how many bears are left? You figured it out? Can you fill in your addition sentence? I'll give you a minute. Figure out how many bears are underneath that cave if we have 6 bears all together. figure it out? Did you beat me? All right, let's count. How many are left over? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 red chips. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bears we haven't crossed out. So I'm thinking that there are 5 bears in the cave. Is that what you guys thought of? Let's check and see if we're right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. Awesome. 1 plus 5 equals 6. All right, next one. Put some bears in. Ah, threw one. Take some bears out. Cover them with a cave. All right, are we ready? Okay, there they are. There's my bears. There are 1, 2, 3, 4 of them. All right, so to set up our addition sentence, right, we've got 4 bears that we can see, plus the hidden ones equals 6. We call this missing number addition because there's one number missing. We got to figure out what it is, right? So we know we have 4, so let's go ahead and flip over 4 of our chips. And we can cross off 4 of our bears because we know where they are. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that means that I have how many under that cave? 1, 2. 4 plus 2 equals 6. Let's see if we're right. We are. Nice work. Okay, let's do a few more. Okay. Try to trick you on this one. Uh-oh. Alrighty. How many bears do we have outside of the cave? 0. Alright, so let's write our addition sentence first. 0 bears plus a number we don't know yet, our missing number, equals 6, right? 0 plus a missing number equals 6. How many of our chips can we flip to yellow? 0 of them, right? Because we know where none of our bears are. How many of our bears can we cross out? 0 again. So let's count how many bears we have left. And that should tell us how many bears are under the cave, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Is that what you already knew? Did you already fill that in? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 of them under there, hanging out. 6 bears in my cave. All right, let's do one more. Think we can do it? I think so. All right, let's zoom in. Okay. I just had to take bears out of the cave this time because we already know where some of them will. Let's see. Let's do it that way. All right, ready? Okay, how many bears do we see? Let's set up our addition sentence. I see 2 plus that number we don't know, the cave bears, equals 6. Bears we can see plus cave bears equals 6. All right, we can see 2 of them. Let's flip over 2 chips. 1, 2, and let's cross out 2 bears. 1, 2. All right, let's figure out how many of those bears are hiding from us. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm thinking 4. Is that what you guys are thinking at home? I'm thinking 4. All right, let's check. 1, 2, 3, 4. We got it right. Nice work, us. 4 little bears hiding under that cave. All right, nice work. Now, your challenge. Find a partner at home, mom, dad, brother, sister, and play this game with them. See if you can trick them, and then see if they can trick you with how many bears are hiding under that cave. All right? Send me a picture of you playing bears in the cave. I'd love to see it. All right, goodbye.